Figure AI just did something nobody expected. They turned package sorting into must-see television. The California robotics startup live-streamed 3 humanoid robots working an 8-hour warehouse shift. No cuts. No edits, just machines sorting packages in real time for anyone to watch. And millions of people tuned in. The livestream started on May 13, 2026. Figure AI CEO Brett Adcock posted on X with a simple announcement. Watch a team of humanoid robots running a full 8-hour shift at human performance levels. Fully autonomous running Helix-02. Within hours, Figure AI had a film crew at its San Jose headquarters streaming the event live. The internet became obsessed. Over 10 million views on the original video, millions more tuned in across YouTube and X. People who would never click on a robotics demonstration sat watching machines sort boxes for hours. One investor called it robotic ASMR. Another viewer described it as bizarrely comforting. Viewers started naming the robots. Bob, Frank, Gary. Later, a 4th robot appeared and got named Rose. The comment sections flooded with people tracking uptime, cheering for battery swaps, and debating whether this was the future or a carefully staged publicity stunt. The setup looked simple. 3 humanoid robots stood at a workstation with a conveyor belt running in a loop. Piles of small packages sat waiting. The task was straightforward but critical for warehouse operations. Pick up a package, scan the barcode location, flip the package so the barcode faces down, place it onto the conveyor belt. Repeat. Each robot completed this sequence in roughly 3 seconds per package. That pace matches the average speed of a skilled human warehouse worker. Adcock confirmed humans average around 3 seconds per package, and Figure 03 is now around human parity. The robots were reasoning directly from camera pixels, using onboard vision and the Helix-02 AI system to detect barcodes, determine grip points, and execute the flip and placement. 2 robots stood on charging stations in the background, ready to sub in when the working robot ran low on battery. When one robot needed power, it autonomously left the station and another took over. No human intervention. The handoff happened seamlessly. If a robot encountered a software or hardware issue, Adcock said, it would autonomously leave for maintenance and another robot would take over. The original goal was 8 hours. Figure AI wanted to prove the robots could complete a full production shift. After hitting that milestone with 0 failures, Adcock made a decision: keep going. By the 24-hour mark on Thursday morning, the humanoids had sorted more than 30,000 packages with more than 3 million cumulative views across platforms. The live stream became addictive for a reason most people did not expect. It was boring. The robots were not doing backflips. They were not dancing. They were not demonstrating cutting-edge dexterity by folding laundry or making beds. They were doing the most repetitive, mundane warehouse labor imaginable. And that is exactly why millions of people could not look away. For years, humanoid robot demonstrations focused on spectacle, parkour, gymnastics, flashy tricks designed to impress. Those videos rack up views, then fade. The Figure AI livestream did something different. It showed robots doing real work. Boring work. The kind of work millions of humans do every single day in warehouses around the world. Watching machines complete that work at human speed for an entire shift made the future feel uncomfortably close. One Redditor quipped that the robots are stealing jobs from warehouse workers and streamers. Investor Jason Calacanis wrote that the stream was bizarrely comforting. Another viewer called it surprisingly addicting and asked for a 24/7 live stream. The emotional reactions split into 2 camps: fascination and dread. People marveled at the technology while simultaneously realizing what it means for labor markets. Robotics expert Scott Walter had publicly challenged the notion that humanoid robots hold significant commercial value unless they can complete an entire work shift without human assistance. Adcock responded by putting that claim to the test live. The 8-hour goal was a direct answer to Walter's challenge. The fact that Figure AI extended the run to 24 hours and beyond turned the demonstration into a statement. These robots can work continuously. They do not get tired, they do not need lunch breaks. They swap batteries and keep going. The robots shown in the live stream are Figure-03 models, unveiled in October 2025. Each fingertip carries a tactile sensor capable of detecting forces as small as 3 grams of pressure, enough to register a paperclip resting on a finger and fine enough to distinguish a secure grip from an incipient slip. The vision system delivers twice the frame rate, 1/4 the latency, and a 60% wider field of view per camera compared with Figure-02. The AI powering these robots is Helix-02, Figure AI's in-house neural network running entirely on board. According to the company, Helix-02 is a unified neural network combining vision, touch sensing, proprioception, and whole body control. Unlike conventional industrial robots that separate movement and manipulation systems, Figure AI says its robots use a single AI model to handle walking, balancing, object handling, and coordination in dynamic environments. Days before the livestream, Figure AI showed 2 Helix-02 robots resetting a bedroom in under 2 minutes, hanging clothes, making a bed, and taking out trash while coordinating without direct communication. During the livestream, robots repeatedly sorted packages on a conveyor loop to prove they could operate reliably for 24-hour shifts. Figure investor Jesse Kors Blankenship said endurance was the real goal, not the packages themselves. Still, skeptics questioned whether the robots were fully autonomous, pointing to awkward pauses and strange movements as possible signs of remote human control. Figure AI has little reason to fake a livestream watched by millions, including investors, robotics experts, and competitors. With a valuation near $40 billion, credibility matters. The robots were also imperfect pausing, adjusting packages, and making small mistakes which made the demo feel more believable. The live stream intensified the humanoid robot race. Tesla continues developing Optimus, while Agility Robotics already deploys digit robots with companies like Amazon and GXO. Apptronik recently raised $520 million to expand its Apollo robot program. Agility Robotics co-founder Jonathan Hurst reacted to Figure's stream by saying, "Congratulations, we did that 2 years ago. The difference is Figure AI live-streamed it publicly." The stream also followed scrutiny over Figure AI's earlier BMW-related claims, making the 24-hour live demo feel like a direct response to critics. Instead of press releases, the company showed continuous footage of robots working autonomously. Still, experts warn real warehouses are far more chaotic than controlled demos, with damaged boxes, unpredictable packages, and strict deadlines. Figure AI believes humanoid robots will eventually work full shifts alongside humans in warehouses and factories. Whether that happens in 5 years or 10, the livestream showed that humanoid robots are rapidly moving from labs into real workplaces.